Stop struggling with old smart home accounts. If you need to permanently delete your First Alert Onelink account but aren't sure how, you're in the right place. I'm Anna from For Real, and I'll show you how to do it safely and completely in just a few minutes. If you've ever felt uneasy about leaving your personal data tied to a smart home system you no longer use, maybe you're selling your home, or just upgrading your devices, you know how important this is. It can feel complicated, but I promise it's not. In this video, I'm not just going to show you which buttons to press. We'll cover the crucial things you need to do before deleting to protect your information and what to do with your devices, after to make sure the job is truly done. Okay, before we even open the app, let's talk about 3 key things. First, know that deleting your account is permanent. This removes your email, your password, and all associated data from First Alert's servers. It's not the same as just signing out. Second, and this is important, deleting the account does not factory reset your devices. Your smoke detectors or other Onelink hardware will still be linked to the account until you manually reset them. If you sell your house without doing this, the new owners could have trouble setting them up. And third, check for linked services. Did you connect Onelink to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant? Make sure you go into your Alexa or Google Home app and unlink First Alert from there first to ensure a clean break. All right, with that covered, let's get this account deleted. Grab your phone and follow along. First, open the Onelink Home app on your iPhone or Android device. On the main screen, look to the top left corner. You'll see a menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap that. This opens up the side menu. You'll see a list of options like FAQ and support. The one we want is right at the top, Accounts. It has a little person icon next to it. Tap on Accounts. On this next screen, you'll see a section at the top called Smart Home Accounts. Your Onelink account with your email address listed should be right there. Tap on that Onelink entry. Quick pause. If you're finding this guide helpful for managing your smart home privacy, please take a second to hit the like button below. It really helps our channel reach and help more people just like you. Okay, let's finish this. Now you're on the final screen for your account. You'll see a big red sign out button, but we're going to ignore that. Look right below it for the small text that says Delete Account. It's easy to miss. Tap on Delete Account. The app will now give you a final warning, explaining that this action is permanent and will delete all your data. This is our last chance to turn back. To make sure it's really you, the app requires you to confirm your password. Type your Onelink account password into the field, and then tap the final red Delete Account button. You'll see a brief loading screen, and then a confirmation pop-up will appear saying, Delete Account Successful. And that's it. Tap OK, and you'll be sent back to the app's login screen. Did you know the first automatic electric fire alarm was patented all the way back in 1890 by an inventor named Francis Robbins Upton, who was an associate of Thomas Edison? We've come a long way since then. And there you have it. Your First Alert Onelink account and all of your personal data on their servers have been successfully deleted. You've taken a huge step in managing your digital privacy. But remember, we're not quite done. Your final and most important step is to factory reset your physical devices. This process varies depending on the model, so check your device's manual or the First Alert support website for instructions. This ensures the new homeowners can use them without any issues. If this tutorial was helpful and you want more simple guides for your smart home, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from For Real. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And I have a question for you. What other smart home task is causing you headaches? Let me know in the comments below, and I might make it my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.